Okay, we're going to go to the German anti-ship fire segment. This is where any unpinned surviving German batteries can fire upon either Allied units on the beach axis, or I don't know if it's on the approaches or just the beach axis. Let's see. Let's say sub-beach X or a naval vessel of some sort, an Allied naval ship. So basically, I'm going to have this unit here fire at the Arkansas battleship, just for giggles. It only hits on a 1, since that's the number at the very top of the battery. Um, the other factors, I think, have something to do with the invasion naval game, but not the ship section. So anyway, we'll roll a die. Hit a 1, roll the 5. Nothing happens. So we will then proceed to the Allied Naval Beach Bombardment segment. I'm going to move the camera somewhere over here. Or over here. Let's see, whatever works out. I've got so many Allied units lined up for the beaches that it's hard to find a place for the camera. So anyway, this should be fairly good right here. All right. We're going to roll one die for each fire that's allocated to a unit based upon this number here, equal to or less than that number. I don't think this one is modified. I would think it would be. Well, it's probably modified by strong points in front of the unit, so I guess I'm going to go ahead and give it the strong point modifier since some of the targets are strong points. Let me see here. Under naval fire. Equal to or 1 less. If it is that, okay. Equal or less, all players, blah, 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 blah. So 1, I'll add 1 to the die roll if the target's a strong point. 2, if it's adjacent to a friendly unit, which it should not be. So we're going to start right here first. We're going to attack that strong point there with a factor of 3 with a +1 to the die. I'll put that die over there. I'll roll this one. I rolled a 3, +1 is 4, so this one had no effect. 1 underneath it. Grab it. Is also a 3, and its target is a strong point, so we'll add 1 to it. Roll the 3, +1 is a 4, so nothing, no effect there. Okay, we're going to come over here, same thing. This is a strong point. So we're going to go ahead and roll the die and add 1. 5 + 1, roll 6 basically. No effect on that strong point. And same thing on this one. Need a 3 or less. Roll the 2, +1 is 3. So this bottom one is pinned. This top one is not. Alright. And we're going to move on down here a ways. I'm not sure how this is going to work. I sure don't want to hold the camera. I'll put it right here, I guess. We have a rocket landing craft ship here, which is going to be targeting, I think this targets every unit in the hex. Let me double check here. The ship bombardment's a little bit different than aerial bombardment. Let's see here. let's see here. Check this real quick, or not so quick. What are we doing? The landing craft? The allied player may never direct bombardment attacks against German combat units unless you're stacked with static. Let's see. I think it just attacks the target that you're that it's placed on. It's been a whole day since I read these rules, so I think it's still individual targets. So if it's not, I'll come back and modify that or correct it or whatever. So I'm gonna double check that. Be right back. Something doesn't seem right.